Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the unboxing of TOZO OpenEgo. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that we have is of course a bunch of different papers that we can take them out, and I think that's about it. So over here we have some instructions and that might help us use the headphones properly and correctly. So you should definitely check them out if you are not so sure what you can do with them. Over here we also have the user manual. So that's about it. And over here, of course, we have the main course, that is the charging case with headphones inside. So let's take it out. There we go. And here we have the case. Over here we have the display. Once we open the case, we should see the percentage of the case. So this one is related to the case itself, the charging case, and inside of course we have the headphones. So let's take them out, and this is how they look like. So we have left and right headphone. On the back you can see which side it is. So this one is left, and of course this one is right. And if we take a look at the back once again, over here we have the speaker, that is the speaker. And of course we also have two elements that are used in order to charge our headphones. So as you can see, these are open ear headphones. We do not put them inside our ear, but actually we put them on our ear, so to say. And besides that, we also have this box here. So you might need to take this out to make it easier for yourself. There we go. This cool looking case, we need to actually open it from this side or the other. Inside we will find two things, and one is the USB cable that is of course used in order to charge our case. And we also have these are called braces by TOZO. So let me actually open this, and you can put them onto the headphones if they are too loose for you. So this is how they look like. We can also see the markings. Let me try to actually show you. There we go, on the other side. Here we have a marking. So this is for the left, and this is for the right headphone. And we put them on this side. So as you can see, these are right headphones. Let me actually take the right and brace it, and then we put them in like so on this side. And these are used when the headphones are too loose for your ear. If you tend to find them too loose, when they seem to be hard to wear, so you can take them you can put this on in order to have some more stability. This might be especially useful when, for instance, if you exercise with them and your ears are sweaty. So then you can put these braces on and it should be a little bit better. So that's about it. And that's pretty much everything that we can find inside the box. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.